When we took the fan off, wasn't able to get this adapter and the pulleys off. I've been just tapping on it with this, and I seem to have made some progress because now the pulley is spinning freely from it. Don't know exactly why this won't come off easy. It's just be a tight fit, so I'm going to tap a little bit more, and if I can get a little bit of a screwdriver or something in there, maybe I can pry a bit, but that should just be a press fit onto the spindle from the shaft from the water pump. Okay, I got it. What it took was gentle pressure between the pulley and the water pump and rotating the pulley and just gently pulling on it, and as you can see, it's just a press fit. Just was on there a long time and didn't want to come off. It must have liked it where it was.